Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss the topic how to convert an infix expression into a postfix expression in data structure. Already, we have discussed an algorithm to implement how to convert an infix expression into postfix expression. And also, we have discussed about the 3 examples. Now, this is the 4th example. Convert the following infix expression into postfix expression, and this is the given infix expression. So for this conversion, we need 3 columns. One is what is the infix character you are going to scan, and next is the stack data structure, and next is the postfix expression. That is the infix expression in every step, how it is partially converted into postfix expression. That is postfix expression column. Okay. So the algorithm is whenever you are encountering an open parenthesis, directly push it onto the stack. And whenever you are encountering alphabet or any digit in the sense, directly place it in the postfix expression. And whenever you are encountering any operator in the sense, you have to check the stack data structure. The top element of the stack data structure, whether there is any operator. If there is an operator, you need to compare the incoming operator with the top element of the stack data structure operator. Suppose if the incoming operator is a lower precedence operator and the element present in the top of the stack data structure, that is a higher precedence operator in the sense, pop the top element operator from the stack and place it in the postfix expression and then push the incoming operator into the stack. Suppose if the top element of the stack data structure is not an operator, directly push the incoming operator into the stack. No need to do any comparison. If the top element of the stack data structure is not an operator. Suppose if the incoming operator is a higher precedence operator and the top element of the stack data structure is a lower precedence operator in the sense, no problem, you can push this incoming operator into the stack. That is, you can place the higher precedence operator over the lower precedence operator. The restriction is you should not place the lower precedence operator over the higher precedence operator. That is the restriction. You can place the higher precedence operator above the lower precedence operator. That is possible. And this procedure you have to follow till you need to encounter each and every character in the infix expression. Once all the character in the infix expression is scanned, still there are elements present in the stack in the sense, then from the top element of the stack, each element one by one you have to pop it and place it in the postfix expression until the stack is empty. And finally, you will get the infix expression converted into a postfix expression. So this is the algorithm you need to implement for this infix to postfix conversion. Now we will check with this example. So here, suppose if the first element here, if it is an open parenthesis in the sense, default open parenthesis, it is not required to place it in the stack. Since in this infix expression, there is no open parenthesis at the start of the expression. So, push one open parenthesis into the stack and place a closed parenthesis at the end of the infix expression. Suppose already if the parenthesis is there in this, no need to include this open and closed parenthesis. If it is not there in the sense, push one open parenthesis into the stack and add one closed parenthesis at the end of the expression. Okay. Just to check the start and end of the infix expression. For that purpose only we are adding this open parenthesis and closed parenthesis. Okay. Next, the first character in the infix expression is capital A. If it is an alphabet or a digit in the sense, place it in the postfix expression. And in the stack, only open parenthesis will be there. Next is the plus operator. Check the top element of the stack. There is no operator. If there is an operator, we need to do comparison. Here, there is no operator. So, push this operator into the stack. And the postfix expression is A only. Next comes the open parenthesis. If it is an open parenthesis, directly push it onto the stack. And the postfix expression is A only. And the next symbol is B. It is a character. So, place it in the postfix expression. Now, the postfix expression is AB. And the stack content is open parenthesis plus and open parenthesis. Okay. Next, plus operator is there. Next incoming operator is a plus operator. You need to check the top element of the stack if there is an operator. Here there is no operator. Only the operator is placed under this open parenthesis. So no need to do any comparison here. So directly push this plus operator into the stack. So the stack contents are open parenthesis plus open parenthesis again plus. Okay. And the postfix expression is A, B only. And next comes the character P. So if it is a character, place it in the postfix expression. Okay. So stack contents is open parenthesis plus open parenthesis plus. And the postfix expression is A, B, C, you will get it. And then minus operator. So minus operator, this is an incoming operator. You need to check the top element of the stack. The top element of the stack operator is a plus operator. So here, if you are considering the stack top element operator, it is a plus operator. So both for higher precedence operator or equal precedence operator, in that case, you have to pop the top element operator in the stack and place it in the postfix expression. So the postfix expression is A, B, C plus, and the stack content is open parenthesis plus open parenthesis. Now you can push this operator, minus operator, into the stack. Can you able to understand? If the top element of the stack data structure is a higher precedence operator or equal precedence operator also, in that case, you need to pop the higher precedence operator in the stack that will be present at the top of the stack. So you need to pop this operator and place it in the postfix expression, and then only you have to push the incoming operator into the stack. Okay, now we have done. And next comes the open parenthesis. If it is a open parenthesis, push it onto the stack. So the stack content is open parenthesis plus open parenthesis minus, and then again one more open parenthesis. And the postfix expression is A, B, C plus, you will get it. And then next symbol is D. D is an operand. So it is a character. If it is a character or a digit, it comes under the category operand. Okay, so D is an operand. Place it in the postfix expression. So postfix expression is A, B, C plus D, you will get it. And the stack content is open parenthesis plus open parenthesis minus, and then open parenthesis, you will get it. And next is division operator. So check the top element of the stack, whether there is an operator. There is no operator in the top of the stack. So you can push this division operator into the stack. If there is an operator only, you have to do the comparison. Otherwise, you can push any operator into the stack. No problem. Okay. So division operator you have pushed into the stack, and the postfix expression is A, B, C plus D, you will get it. And next comes the operand. E is a character. So directly place it in the postfix expression. So the postfix expression is A, B, C plus D, E, you will get it. And the stack content is open parenthesis plus open parenthesis minus open parenthesis division. Okay. And then comes the exponent operator. This is a power operator, E power of F. Okay. So this is an exponent operator. Exponent operator is having higher precedence over the arithmetic operator. Okay. So next incoming operator is a exponent operator. Now the top element of the stack, if you are considering, it is a division operator. This is a lower precedence operator. And this exponent operator is a higher precedence operator. In that case, you can push the higher precedence operator into the stack. That is, you can able to place the higher precedence operator over the lower precedence operator. If you are checking the content in the sense, division operator will present below. Above only the higher precedence operator, exponent operator will be present. Okay. So in this case, there is no problem. Okay. So the stack content will be open parenthesis plus open parenthesis minus open parenthesis division operator, and then the exponent operator. And the postfix expression is A, B, C plus D, E. And next comes the operand F. So if it is an operand in the sense, directly place it in the postfix expression, and the stack content is same only. There is no change in the stack content. So division and exponent operator is there here. And the postfix expression is A, B, C plus D, E, and this F also you have to place it in the postfix expression. Now this is the postfix expression. And next comes the closed parenthesis. So whenever you are encountering a closed parenthesis, until you will encounter the first open parenthesis, one by one from the top element of the stack, pop it and place it in the postfix expression. So first you have to pop this exponent operator and place it in the postfix expression. The stack content will be up to division operator will be there. This exponent operator you need to pop it and place it in the postfix expression. Now the postfix expression is A, B, C plus D, E, F, and then this exponent you have to place it here. Okay. Next step also, this is only closed parenthesis only. Okay. Still you have not encountered the first open parenthesis. Okay. In between one operator is there. This operator, division operator also, you have to pop it and place it in the postfix expression. So if you are popping, the postfix expression will be A, B, C plus D, E, F, and then exponent operator and then the division operator will be there. Now, after doing this closed parenthesis and open parenthesis you have to cancel. Okay, so here open parenthesis plus and again open parenthesis plus and again open parenthesis will be there. This division operator you have popped and placed in the postfix expression. Now you have to cancel this closed parenthesis and open parenthesis. And next incoming character is a star operator, and the stack content, if you are checking in the sense, the top element of the stack content is a plus operator. So if it is a plus operator in the sense, you can place this plus here this is a minus operator. Okay, this is a minus operator. Okay, so next incoming operator is a star operator. The top element of the stack, if you are checking, it is a minus operator. So if you are comparing, minus operator is having lower precedence and the incoming operator multiplication is having a higher precedence. So you can push the higher precedence operator into the stack. So the stack content will be open parenthesis plus open parenthesis minus and then the star you can push it onto the stack. And the postfix expression is A, B, C plus D, F exponent division. Okay. And then the next symbol is G. G is an operand. So directly place it in the postfix expression. Stack content will be as it is only. And the postfix expression will be A, B, C plus D, E, F exponent division and then the operand G you have to place it in the postfix expression. Okay. And next it is a closed parenthesis. So whenever you are encountering a closed parenthesis, until you will encounter the first open parenthesis, pop the top element of the stack and place it in the postfix expression. So first you have to pop the multiplication operator and place it in the postfix expression. So here the postfix expression will be A, B, C plus D, E, F exponent division G and then multiplication operator you have to place it in the postfix expression. And the stack content will be open parenthesis plus open parenthesis minus will be there. Still you have not encountered the first open parenthesis. For this corresponding closed parenthesis, you have not encountered the first open parenthesis. Now minus operator is also there. So you have to pop this minus operator and place it into the postfix expression. So here the postfix expression will be A, B, C plus D, E, F exponent division G star and then this minus also you have to place it in the postfix expression. Now if you are considering the stack content will be open parenthesis plus and then open parenthesis will be there. This closed parenthesis and its corresponding open parenthesis you have to cancel. And next is a star operator. If it is a star operator, push it onto the stack. Actually here you have to check the top element of the stack. Top element of the stack is a plus operator. So you can push this star operator into the stack. That is, you can able to place the higher precedence operator above the lower precedence operator. Plus is a lower precedence operator. Multiplication is a higher precedence operator. And the postfix expression, if you are checking in this, the content will be same only. A, B, C plus D, E, F exponent division G star minus. Okay. And the next is an operand H. So if it is an operand, place it in the postfix expression and the stack content there is no change only. Open parenthesis plus and star will be there. And the postfix expression if you are considering in the sense A, B, C plus D, F exponent division then G multiplication minus. And then the next operand is H. Place H in the postfix expression. Add this H to the postfix expression. And next if you are considering it is a closed parenthesis. until you will encounter the first open parenthesis. Pop each element from the top of the stack and place it in the postfix expression. So first you have to pop star and you have to place it in the postfix expression. Next you have to pop plus and you have to place it in the postfix expression. Okay. So the postfix expression will be ABC plus DEF exponent division G star minus H, and then you have to pop this top element of the stack, that is multiplication operator, and place it in the postfix expression. Okay. Next step. Now the stack content will be open parenthesis and plus will be there. Okay. Next step, you have to pop this plus operator and place it in the postfix expression. And now the postfix expression is ABC plus DEF exponent division and then G star minus then H star, then this plus operator, you have to pop it and place it in the postfix expression. Now in the stack, if you are considering, only open parenthesis will be there. You have to cancel this corresponding open and closed parenthesis. And if you are checking, all the infix symbols we have scanned. Okay, and the stack is also empty. Now, this is the final postfix expression. You will get it. ABC plus DEF exponent division G star minus H star plus. So, this is the final postfix expression for this corresponding given infix expression. And this is the procedure to implement. Thank you for watching this video.